Cow's out here getting off this power steering pump. He fell in love in a homeless place. See that bolt on that hard line? We gotta get that off. And there's no room. Alright, soaked it in some PB Blaster. It sucks because the axle's in the way, the cradle's in the way, the firewall's in the way, there's a cross member up there. Well, no, it's just part of the cradle, but everything's in the way. She's soaking. Here we go. Rip on her. Oh man, that thing is fucking nice.
I can't even get it.
You think that might have broke it free? A little spray and a little kg
My little fucking 1560
power. Broke it free. That was pretty hard, huh, Kyle?
Yeah, that was hard on it. It's just an angle, you know what I'm saying? It's hard to really pull on it. And the stubby wrench, I put all my force on the stubby and I couldn't.
This thing keeps wanting to focus on the axle. There we go. She's out. Just gotta get the axles off the other line. Here comes the axle. Yes. Yes. The axle is off.
Is it?
Yeah. That side is Channy's side. She's out. Alright. Is that bucket getting that fluid?
You hear this bearing?
That's nice. Alright, we got it all hooked up. It's fucking ready to go there. Ready to go there. Popping off the front motor mount from the cross member, not from the engine bolt. And there's one more on the back, and we can pull her up. Right there, Steve. There she is, last bolt. Mount bolt out. There you have it. She's out.